Do your kids ever get a little wild and crazy and out of control? Yeah, it happens. It does. And when that does, we want to grab Steady, the grounding blend from the children's line. This is an amazing oil. It contains Amyris, Balsam Fir, Coriander and Magnolia. It is a wonderful blend of herbs and flowers, and it smells really good. Yeah, I'm kind of liking this one. So it's balancing, it's steadying, it's quieting. So when to use it, you can use it for uncooperative, obstinate, when they're out of control, overstimulated and overwhelmed. There are a lot of kids that too much activity and change upsets their system, their emotions, and this would be really good for that too. Having focus issues and mood swings, restless and wound up, anger, frustration, tantrums. I saw a video of a mom whose daughter was having a full-blown tantrum, meltdown on the floor, kicking and screaming, and she just grabbed this oil, grabbed a foot, and shoop, right up and down the foot, and 30 seconds, the child calmed right down. It was pretty amazing. Grief, sadness, disappointment. It can be part of the bed and bath time routine also. So you want to use this in addition to your other tools in your toolbox for dealing with your children. You know, snuggle time, one-on-one time, naps, all these things that are good to help them to learn how to self-regulate. But it is very soothing and helps to balance mood and soothe upset feelings when emotions seem too close to the surface. So this is an excellent oil. Where to put it? So you can put it across their forehead. I happen to really like over the heart or in the chest because your body heat makes it waft up, and then you really get the smells. You're like your own mini diffuser. You can use it on any pulse points, like I was using there. The back of the neck, along the spine is a good part, and always on the feet. The feet have nerve connections to the whole body, so it'll get there. And that's a place, if the kids don't like certain smells, you can put it on their feet and put the socks and shoes on and they won't smell it, but they will get the benefit of it still. So feet is always an option on where to put oils. These are pre-diluted, so they're ready to use for kids. You can give them they will eventually learn, oh, I need my green oil, or I need my blue oil, or I need my red oil. And they will know. So there's words that they can read. It says the name of the oil and this is Steady, and it's the grounding blend, so what it does. Then it also has a little heart on it, and so it's more for the emotion side. On the little carabiner, there is also a heart, so you know it's for the emotions. Some of the kids blend has a body, so it's more for the body issues, and others have brains on them, so it's more for the brain. But this one is a heart oil, and it works fantastic. So this is Steady, the grounding blend, to help ground your kids and help with overwhelm and calming and soothing. If you found value in this, click like, hit subscribe. We're making more videos all the time on different ways to use essential oils in your health and wellness journey, because they don't do you any good sitting on the shelf. Thanks for joining me.